In this video, you will learn how to create a Tare ID within the Tare table. Log in as administrator. Access the Setup menu. Select Application, then Memory, and finally Tare Table. Tap on Add Tare to add a new Tare ID. Enter the Tare name and description. Enter a Tare value using the numeric keyboard or capture the container weight by tapping the T button, then save the settings. To create a Tare ID, using a weight range validation, tap on the plus icon. Enter the Tare name and description. Enter a weight range value. If needed, use the scale readings on the screen as a reference, then save the settings. Go back to the main screen to test your settings.